What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the MI Basic earphones, and I will be also giving a quick review on this. So this is the MI Basic earphone which I bought it from Paytm. It cost nearly I bought it for 300 rupees, and usually it cost on other website between 300 to 400 rupees. During sale it may drop to at most morely about 350 rupees. So in Paytm there was this offer going on, so I got it for a much cheaper price. So this is the box which I received, and I've already unboxed this package, so I have removed the seal from here. So this is the box which we get. What are the specifications on the box? Just read out, type in here. Nothing special here. What else we have got? Is there any kind of MRP printed on this? No MRP printed whatsoever. Yeah, there's an MRP printed, $5.99, but you will get for a much cheaper price. So this is how we get. Here is some kind of seal which you need to peel it off, and you can open it like this, and after this we have to open another fold. So we will straight away get the MI Basic earphones. So these are the MI Basic earphones, and what else is that? And we will get some extra ear tips inside this. So that's it, and let's keep this aside. So these are the MI Basic earphones which we get straight away from the box, nothing else. So open this up. So firstly I will be talking about the build quality, then I will be talking about the sound quality, and at last I will be talking about the quality of the microphone. So let's quickly open this up. I have been using these earphones for about a month, so I thought let's make a review on this. So this is the earphones which we get straight away. So these earphones are having a really great build quality, I would say, at least this ear tips. So these are having metal build quality, as you can hear the sound of it. It feels solid in your hand, it feels comfortable. So and this is also shaped in a very nice manner which can easily fit in your ears. It feels really comfortable. You will get a perfect noise isolation with this, and the ear tips are also very soft. It fits very perfectly in your ears. And let's talk about the cable quality. The cable quality is a bit of standard cable quality, nothing much special in this. Yeah, but it can easily last for a long period of time, depends on how you use. And we have got one microphone here, and this microphone has only single button, no any kind of volume buttons on this, and it has a microphone on back. And we will get a 3.5 mm jack which is of L-shaped. So I like this L-shaped jacks especially because suppose you are inserting this in your phone, and suppose it is straight 3.5 mm jack, then it may get damaged at the bottom, but this may not get damaged that much easily, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so that's it about the build quality. I would say it's an okay build quality. Okay, not I would say it's a good build quality, because according to this price point, which is under rupees 400 rupees, you are getting this earphones, and it's a nice build quality at this price point. So no issue whatsoever. For build quality, I would give out of 10, I would give a rating of 8.5 to 9, because it's really a good build quality. And now let's talk about the main point, that is the sound quality, because the sound quality matters much more than the build quality according to earphones. So the sound quality of this is also really nice, and it is having a really good bass. It fits in your ear so perfectly, and it also gives you a perfect noise isolation, and you will not get any kind of disturbance from external things that so the sound quality is really good on this. I would really appreciate the sound quality on this. Even if you keep on the maximum level, it will not hurt your ears. It will be really nice. So now let's talk about the microphone of this. So it has a single button, as I already mentioned, and it is having a single microphone. The microphone is also really good for voice calling. It is having a nice clarity in the voice, but I would suggest you not for video recording purpose. Like suppose you are recording a video for YouTube, then it is not meant for that purpose, but for rest else, like making a voice call in a busy street, it will be nice. But it may also record a little bit background noises as well, but that's fine according to this price point. Yeah, again, the highlight of this is the build quality, the metal build quality, as well as the main highlight is the sound quality of this. This is the best sounding earphones as per me, under the price range of rupees 500. Previously I have also took this unbox this in my previous video. I made a review on this board based 100 earphones. So this also sounds a bit similar, but I myself, it depends on the personal choice of different people. So I myself like this sound of this earphones a bit nice. So if you want to buy this product, I will give you the links in the description box. You can easily click on that and you can buy the products. So that's it for today's video. Please like this video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.